What is up, guys? Michael Bangle here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a short little video on Tesla's 5-in-1 stock split. So pretty much on August 31st of 2020, Tesla, which is currently valued just slightly above 1400, will do a stock split. So pretty much the stock will divide by 5, and instead of owning 1 share of Tesla, you'll own 5 shares of Tesla. So let's say that Tesla, for example, is worth $1,500. And so if you own Tesla on August 21st, you will get a stock split. So let's just assume that Tesla is worth $1,500. Once August 21st passes, you'll get 4 additional shares on August 28th, but the value of your stock will go down from $1,500 to $300 each. So you'll have 5 shares of Tesla, which, isn't a good thing or a bad thing, because fundamentally it shouldn't change anything for the stock. Although this could be a good thing for stock owners and people that want to own Tesla, because if Tesla becomes cheaper, more people would want to buy Tesla, essentially pumping up the stock to make the value of it go higher. And when that happens, as we've seen multiple times with pump and dumps and penny stocks, more people hype up the stock and the price just goes up. Whereas Tesla they're a pretty big company with a lot of market share. So if the value of Tesla goes up, who knows what will happen in the future. My bet is Tesla is still going to keep going up, because in the long run, I believe in Tesla, and I believe in Elon Musk, and I really believe Tesla is going to be the future powerhouse, of the entire world. Do you see what they're doing right now with NASA, the Cybertruck, tiles on houses? They're doing a bunch of things, man. They have autonomous car driving. There's so much that Elon Musk is doing for this company, and honestly, despite all the trolling he does on Twitter and all that, he really is a smart man. If we look at the beta, Tesla is at a 1.30, which means that they're more volatile than most other stocks. So you got to keep that in mind. If you look at their EPS, they have a 711.38 at the time of this video I'm making it, which equals about $1.93 per share. People say to hold the stock for the long run, because they, just like me, believe that this stock is going to go up. This will be a little short video and why you need to jump on this Tesla bandwagon before the stock split happens, because I'm telling you right now, the value of Tesla is going to go up. You'll make some dollars. If you like swing trading, you should definitely buy this stock. If you're a day trader, you can day trade this stock before the stock split, and then after the stock split, you'll make some money. If you're a long-term investor, definitely this stock is going to add value to your portfolio. So I'd say Tesla is for a good go. As always, if I did a good job, please like and subscribe. Tell me how much shares of Tesla you're going to try to purchase, because I am definitely going to order some Tesla when I see that dip coming in. Your boy's going to try to buy some Tesla on sale, hold that for the long run, and we'll all make it, baby. Let's get it.